Unboxing of the DJI Action 4 Adventure Combo. Get into the box. This is direct from DJI. It was just easier to, they had it in stock the soonest, so. Packing and the actual box. So I do need to kind of get into the plastic here. Here's the front information. Here's all the back information. All this little you can see it there, this little green tab to open. That's DJI Action 4 and accessories. Pull out the accessories, Action 4, and then the actual extension selfie stick. Accessories. Silicone. USB to USB. This is the mount adapter that makes it GoPro compatible for the mounts with GoPro. The little feet there, and put everything like that. Here is the battery charging case, which is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, which is good. It looked really big on the product shots, so all my batteries need to be charged. Makes sense. 3 Osmo Action 4 batteries. And then I guess you can put SD cards in here and here. DJI stickers. So this is you can take off the actual lens filter, put this on, and it actually takes the glass off. It will not be waterproof if you do that, but you're supposed to be able to get better low light performance from the camera. And then you get the instruction manuals and the accessories and warranty information. Now going into the actual camera. Camera. Oh, I didn't put the selfie stick there. So this is the cage for the camera. So you get 2 GoPro screws, or GoPro type screws. You get an adapter here. So this is the ARC GoPro connector, GoPro type connector, with an adhesive mount on the back. So here's a second adapter. This for the actual stick. Here's the cage. Here's the cage. So this is for the vertical mounting as well as the regular mounting, which mounts to the camera, but the vertical does not. So this just expands open. You put the camera in and then snap it shut. And then the actual DJI Action 4 right here. So this goes on with the magnets, and then these little clips make sure it's super secure, and then you can attach GoPro type mounts with that. Here's the lens cover. Peel that back. Down here we have, I don't know if you can see that, USB-C right there. Quick selected on button, and on the other side the whole thing pops up, and that's where the battery goes in. I don't know if it'll be enough juice for it to go right now. Actually, I just take these other batteries out so you can see everything you get with it. Then the battery goes in, kind of snaps lightly, and then there's no red showing. Power it on. There might not, oh, yeah, there is some juice in there. So that's it. I guess the only other thing I didn't show was this long pole, which this is not an invisible stick on the, it used to just be snow, now it's on everything, and it extends out really far. I mean, that's a really long pole. GoPro type connector. So this will go in here. Oh, it's connected. And these are more rubbery than plasticky, which is kind of nice. And then the GoPro screw will just go in there. Then you can just pop these on and off with the actual camera, which I'm going to hold on to it because I don't have the thing yet. And there you go. Then it'll be on the selfie stick and be all set. So that's the ending of the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo unboxing. So it's a pretty good package for everything that you get with it. You can see you get the stick, the battery charger, 2 extra batteries, camera, cage. They call this a lens cover, but for low light, 2 extra batteries, 2 GoPro screws, 2 magnetic mounts, USB to USB-C, and a curved mount adhesive. So here's everything that you get with the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. Hope you liked the video. If you did, click the like button. If you want to see more content like this, click the subscribe button.